When you're packing, start by choosing a distinct color for each room in your new home. Say blue for the kitchen, green for the bedroom, yellow for the living room. Use colored packing tape, colored markers, or sticky labels. Just make it visible. Next, label each box with that color and a brief room name or description of what's inside, so anyone helping knows exactly where it's headed. Try to put color marks on the top and sides if you can, because once boxes are stacked, the sides may be the only thing visible. Then create a color key or legend. It's a simple chart showing which color matches which room. Tape it to the wall or front door of your new place so your moving team or helping friends all see the system at a glance. On moving day, when boxes arrive, the colored markings make unpacking far faster. No more guessing which box is kitchen or living room. Everything lands right where it belongs. Bonus tip: use a special standout color, or color plus symbol, for your open first box. The one with chargers, pillow, toothbrush, that sort of night one essentials. It'll save you from digging through dozens of boxes when you're exhausted. That tip is echoed in the broader moving tips universe. So, by picking your colors, labeling clearly, making your color key, and sticking to the plan, you'll manage packing, moving, and unpacking with less stress and more control. If you'd like more expert tips and free moving quotes, visit movers.com. You can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.